Students, we come to part 3 of chemical kinetics. Today we will see the relation between rate of a reaction and concentration of the reactant. We already know that if we take more concentration of the reactant at the start, then the speed of the reaction, that is rate of the reaction, will be high, meaning both of them are directly proportional. Since rate of the reaction at a given temperature and at a given time instant depends upon the concentration of the reactant, such a relation between the rate and concentration of the reactant is called rate law. Okay, so the rate and concentration relation is called the rate law. मतलब ऐसा एक इक्वेशन आएगा जिसमें हम रेट और कॉन्सेंट्रेशन दोनों लिखेंगे एंड दैट इक्वेशन विल गिव यू द डिपेंडेंस of the rate of the reaction on the concentration of the reactant, and such a equation will be known as rate law. To understand rate law, first we consider a general reaction between A moles of A and B moles of B, producing C moles of C and D moles of D as the products. If we consider this general reaction, we find that the rate of a chemical reaction is proportional to the molar concentration of the reactants raised to the simple powers. That is, rate for this reaction will be proportional to concentration of A raised to the simple power x, and it is also proportional to the B, the second reactant, raised to some other simple power B. So rate is therefore what? Proportionality sign को हटा के हम लोग हमेशा constant लिखते हैं K. A raised to x, B raised to y. We know K is a proportionality constant and here K is called rate constant. ये constant of proportionality है which is also called rate constant. Okay, if you set the concentration of the reactant equals to 1, अगर ये वैल्यू 1 हो जाता है, ये भी वैल्यू 1 हो जाता है, मतलब यूनिटी हो जाता है, then K is equal to rate. Okay, so I can say that rate constant is the rate of the reaction if the concentrations are 1. मतलब if the concentration of both the reactants are set to unity. Now this rate constant K is independent of concentrations, but it depends upon the temperature of the reaction. The above equation, meaning this equation, is called differential rate law, or it is simply called the rate law. In the rate law, the powers that we have written, A raised to x लिखा हमने, B raised to y लिखा. The powers x and y in the rate law are not necessarily equal to the stoichiometry coefficients A and B in the balanced equation. मतलब ये जो x है, it is not necessary that it is equal to A. ये जो y है, not necessary it is equal to y. For simple reactions, x and y are usually the integers, but जो reactions complex होगा उसके लिए x और y का वैल्यू नेगेटिव हो सकता है, 0 हो सकता है, और इट मे बी इन फ्रैक्शन ऑल्सो. तो वॉट वी कैन कंक्लूड फ्रॉम ऑल दिस, ये जो रेट लॉ आया है, इट इज़ एन एक्सपेरिमेंटली डिटरमाइंड इक्वेशन. एक्स और वाई का वैल्यू एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करके निकाला जाता है. कोई prediction नहीं किया जा सकता about the value of x and y by looking at the stoichiometric coefficients of the reactions, क्योंकि x और y हमेशा a और b को equal हो ये compulsory नहीं है. It cannot be predicted from the stoichiometry equation. इसको बोलते हैं स्टाइकियोमेट्री इक्वेशन। और इसको देख के, सिर्फ इक्वेशन को देख के हम ये जो रेट लॉ लिखा था इसका प्रेडिक्शन नहीं कर सकते। दिस इज समथिंग विच इज एक्सपेरिमेंटली डिटरमाइंड। नाउ what I can say about the rate law in one line. Rate law ये equation है. How I can define this in one line? It is an experimentally determined equation that gives rate of a chemical reaction in terms of molar concentration of the reactants. ये जो हम square bracket में लिखते हैं, this is nothing but molarity, or it is called molar concentration of the reactants. Okay, so the rate law can be defined as what? An experimentally determined equation which gives rate of a reaction in terms of molar concentration of both the reactants. So what is the use of these powers x and y? They actually indicate the effectiveness of concentration changes of the reactants to change the rate of a reaction. Meaning अगर हमने A और B का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन चेंज किया तो उसका क्या इफ़ेक्ट होगा स्पीड मतलब रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन पे, ये बताएंगे हमें वैल्यूज़ ऑफ x एंड y. Suppose, let us understand with this with the example. Suppose I am having a simple reaction of A moles of A reacting with B moles of B to give any products. I am concerned only with the reactant concentration. If suppose x is equal to 1 and y is also equal to 1, तो जो रेट लॉ हमने लिखा था वो क्या हो जाएगा? रेट इज इक्वल टू के ए रेज टू एक्स लिखा था, नाउ नो नीड टू राइट 1. बी रेज टू वाई लिखा था, नो नीड टू राइट वैल्यू ऑफ वाई व्हेन इट इज 1. ओके, सो दिस इक्वेशन शोज दैट द रेट डिपेंड्स लीनियरली ऑन द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए एंड B. If either A or B is doubled, then the rate also gets double. क्योंकि उनका पावर कितना है? 1. मतलब उनका ऑर्डर है 1. When order of any reaction is 1 with respect to a particular reactant, then we will say that if its concentration is doubled, then the rate also gets doubled. Now suppose in the next case we take x value as 2 and y we are keeping same 1 ही रख रहे हैं, तो हमारा रेट लॉ क्या चेंज हो जाएगा? अभी रेट विल बी इक्वल टू के ए रेज टू एक्स था, नाउ वी विल राइट ए रेज टू 2 and b रेज टू y which is now also 1, right? So this is the rate law. Meaning of this is if concentration of A is doubled keeping the B constant, then the rate of the reaction increases by the factor 4. अगर A raised to 2 है मतलब उसका इफेक्ट डबल होता है ऑन द रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन. इफ A is doubled, then rate will change what? Rate will increase 4 times. Rate becomes 4 times of its initial value. अगर सपोज x का वैल्यू 0 लिया, इफ x इज इक्वल टू 0, एनीथिंग रेज टू 0 इज 1, मीन्स द रेट विल बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ A. अगर A रेज टू 0 आएगा मतलब हम A का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बढ़ाओ कम करो कांस्टेंट रखो, it is not going to affect the rate of the reaction. Rate becomes independent of the concentration of the A if A raised to 0 is there in the rate law. What if x is negative? If x is less than 0, then the rate decreases as A is increased. अगर आप A को increase भी करोगे तो भी rate क्या होगा? Decreases. If A concentration is increasing. Why? Because A raised to negative power we have. If the order, that means the power raised to A is negative, then the effect of the A is opposite on the rate of the reaction. अब जनरल रिएक्शन तो हो गया, किसी पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल के लिए रेट लॉ कैसे लिखना है देख लेते हैं हम लोग. कंसिडर वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन परऑक्साइड. इट डिकम्पोजेज टू वॉट? वाटर एंड ऑक्सीजन. Okay, now the rate of the reaction is found to be proportional to concentration of hydrogen peroxide, क्योंकि वही तो एक reactant है, right? And the rate law is given by what? Rate लिखना है equals to K, which is called the rate constant. Simply take H2O2. Okay, it is found to be proportional to H2O2, meaning अगर concentration of H2O2 डबल करेंगे तो रेट भी क्या हो जाएगा? डबल. दिस इज द रेट लॉ. रेट लॉ में क्या क्या आएगा? रेट equals to rate constant, and then you will have concentration of the reactants. If nothing is written in the terms of power, means the X value is 1. We will continue next time with the order of the reaction. Till then, bye bye.